But right now I'm heading over to Rappaport. Some of the team there wants to shop some of my pieces. They're super cool and they're gonna show me around. So let's see. Hey guys, I'm over here at the Rappaport office with some of my really close friends over here. Melanie in the back. Hey, hey. And we're gonna try on some earrings here. We're gonna do like a little ear stack, right?
Yes, I need a revamp.
Revamp. So stay tuned for the ear stack.
Okay, so I definitely am over these.
Over the front ones? Okay, let's try on a couple things then for that. Yeah, these would look cool.
Yeah, I
The
love...
bar ones would look sick in like your second or your third. I know the ones you have
I want to
super
keep
cute.
this one.
Okay.
For sure.
But you got
this
two
I
of them?
have, this is like wrapped in two.
How fun.
I love this.
You guys give me a little goodie bag? I'm gonna look at the little goodie bag. Why not?
Nothing great.
No, they're cute. Look at this cute little bag. I love it. Oh wait, that is cute.
So you
No,
have
I
this
do.
in bigger though?
I do.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I definitely want like
Bigger.
the hoop bigger to land like here.
Mm-hmm. Well, these are 7mm, so we can throw in a 10 of something else.
Yeah,
just
let
so
me
you
see.
can get the vibe, and
Let's
then
do
just
that.
know it will go a little bit. It'll dangle a little lower with the diamond.
Which I love, yeah.
Why don't I throw in the stone dangle? Because like, you know, it'll be a little bit longer, but it won't be like it's just a hair.
Yeah.
So that'll give you a little bit more of a vibe. Okay, let me get the 10mm in that really fast, which I don't have.
Right, because then I'll know.
You'll know a little
But
bit
I
better.
still love the big diamond.
Oh yeah.
Obviously.
Yeah, it'll be that, but
Yeah.
the hoop will just be bigger. Yeah.
Is 10 the biggest?
Mm-hmm. I mean, I can custom make anything for you. You can go even bigger if you want. Like this is a 12mm right here.
Oh, I
Wanna
think
try
I want
12?
that, yeah.
Honestly, this is so much better doing this here because
Oh my
the
gosh,
show's fun. I even have 15.
No, I think this is perfect.
With
And
that
the
hanging out.
diamond.
Yeah, it'll go right below.
Yep,
Right
perfect.
there, right underneath. 12mm. Okay. I haven't made it in 12 yet, so it'll be fun to do.
Yeah, I'm excited for that. And then this
Sweet.
one. Oh, maybe I should keep that one in here
This
so
one?
that we can see.
I just want to throw one of these in you just so you can see.
Hi.
Hey, hey. Oh, what's going on?
So nice to see
So
you.
nice to see you. The gang's all here. I
We're
love
here.
it. Man, it'd be fun to work with you guys in here.
Yeah, come in. So cute.
That one's kind of a similar vibe. This one, though, I love in like a second and a third. I don't love it in a first
No.
because it's very narrow unless you're doing like super, super thin stuff.
No, I
But
like
in the
that.
back, it's sick, huh? Just want to show you that one. That one I really always
Let's
love in a
keep
third.
that one
You want to
in.
keep that one in?
Yeah, and I definitely want
Wanna
to try
try
one
that?
of these.
Okay, we can try it both ways, but to start, do you prefer it kind of arcing into your face or arcing like...
Yeah, that looks cute.
Sick.
An additional view.
Yeah, and I love it with that because I do love just having... I like how you have sparkle, a pop of gold, and some texture, and you will have a little sparkle down there,
Mhm.
but it'll be down there.
See,
You know?
it's feel, additional feel.
I really love this one so much.
Can't have all of
Let's
this.
see.
Yeah, let's try on some other stuff.
Yeah.
Man, this is so fun. I really like this one.
Yeah, that one's cool. That one's nice. This one, so then if we have to go a little more simple, I mean, the
Would it be
beaded...
crazy to do
Mm.
like, I was gonna say like one more leaf, but like a bigger one? No.
No, I don't think it would be bad. Let's
What
throw
about
in
like
a...
maybe one in...
Those are cute. Let's go small with that one though, so that
Yeah.
way it stays facing forward. Let me pop this in really quick. It's so funny, you know, like each different style, you needed a different size.
Yeah.
Like with the offset one, we went with the 6, that's a 4, and the bar was a 5.
Oh, I really like that.
The scalloped. Yeah, and I like it in the 4, which the bar didn't work in a 4, but that one does.
That's...
Let me see. Like,
Boss man doesn't kill me.
yes! No brain. I love that. With the leaves. Yep. That's the way to go.
Okay, so I'll do those two. I'll just leave them in.
You like those ones?
Yeah.
Cute. And
Can I leave them in?
Yeah,
Like they're mine?
absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. So freaking
I
cute.
love.
Cool. And then we just have to do.
I invited Debbie to the party.
Hey, hey.
Please, everyone.
Ooh.
Okay, so I'm
Show
gonna
the
do
other
these
week.
two.
I make a lot of these like huggy style
Yeah.
hoops.
So these two I'm gonna do.
Cute.
Everything's
Oh, that's cute.
The
The little olive branch.
And then I'm gonna
scallop.
get this one for my
Custom.
maid. Because I'm over these. Okay, let's look at this ear now.
Okay.
This I still love.
Yeah.
And then this I can do two in.
Yeah. This was the beautiful ear stack we just did on this beauty. Oh my god, I love it. It's pinky. So cute. I love it. Sorry. Oh my god. Stunning. Can't wait.